some Remy Martin, some good ass cigars. Check it out. Hey yo, late night candlelight fiend with diesel in his needle. Queensbridge leader, no equal. I come from the will of Ezekiel to pop $1,000 bottles of scotch, smoke pot, and heal the people. Any rebuttal to what I utter, get box cut and counter many bad honeys. I slut, it's a high number. Name a nigga under the same sky that I'm under. Who gets money but may fly? Yeah, I wonder. Eyes flutter as love when Nas pops up. Stars get starstruck, panties start dripping the ways of Carlito. Blaze, torpedo, cigars, drop rolls, hoes, drop clothes. Louis the 13th, freaks, women nice size. I ride like Porsches, thick, brown, and gorgeous. It ain't my fault. Semi-automatic weapons, I brought the world crazy. I'm rich and I'm girl crazy. Think I'm convinced them all to praise me. The ideology is confusion. I lose them. Relates me who hate me. My gun off safety. Since the tunnel escape key, my jury in HD. Silent rage, pristine in my vintage shades. I'm not in the winters of my life or the beginning stage. I am the dragon. Maserati pumping Biggie, the great legend blasting. I'm after the actress who played Faith Evans. My little Jackie Onassis did. I'm so high I never land like Mike Jackson's crib. Vest on 45, still crack your rib sack. Religious talk trash about the nasty kid. Past nasty now, grocery repulsive talk money. Is you joking? Cash everywhere in my bank, in the sofa, in the walls, in the cars, in my wallet, in my pocket, on the floors. Ceilings, the safe bitch, I got it, you in me, but don't offend me. I'm skinny, but still I'm too big for a Bentley. You are your car, what could represent me? Too godly to be a Bugatti. You honestly must design me something Tommy Montana from Queens had before the 90s. Drug dealer car, rush to the bar, move niggas. We don't give a fuck who you are. Black card, heavy like a magnet. In my stitched denims, pretty women see them sagging. Better 100 stacks, niggas are running back. Just having fun, I ain't even begun to black. Light another blunt in fact. Thick as yellow bitches for the suck of it. Got a bunch of niggas in prison bragging, saying it was Nas I used to hustle with. I display fashions while my lungs engage hashes. Guns on my waist past this. Since I'm taking up, put funds in my safe laughing and joining the blunt passing. You niggas are straight acid. Excuse the vulgarity, I'm still not fully adjusted or used to the new fans hearing me spit rapidly. I never see the whips niggas be claiming they driving. I guess entertainment means blatantly lying. Fake it till you make it. I've driven those toys, been in the wars, in the streets, cops kicking in doors. On my D nigga, your flow cheap as limousine liquor. I'm no fake rap CD listener. Sit back and roll a mean swisher. For my G's, tell his clowns make room for the king, nigga.